Okay, something that everybody's talking about is, of course, Chat GPT and all the opportunities and all the things you can do. And yes, you can absolutely collapse time with Chat GPT, but there's so much more in the world of artificial intelligence. Um, I am actually a lot more interested in what is happening with AI avatars and how we can create avatars and use them for our video marketing. For example, you can create an avatar that is the face of your business. And a lot of business owners would probably go this way because they just don't feel comfortable in front of the camera. I speak to people every single day that they would never ever get themselves in front of the camera. And this is a great way for them to include video marketing into their business because, as we all know, video is huge. Video is getting bigger and bigger every year. Everybody's competing. So this is one thing we can do. Another thing we can do with avatars is you can actually have a video together. You can interview your avatar. They can be your co-host. There's so much that can be done, and it's so exciting. And I just see so many opportunities, but people are just not seeing it yet. And in a few months, you will see how many avatars will pop up and how many people will actually start noticing how much video marketing has changed. I actually did a little experiment and created my own avatar. I used Midjourney to create the image of my avatar. I recorded a very short audio on my phone, and then I uploaded the avatar and the audio into D-ID and animated it. And look what it came up with.
Oh, hey, that's me.
She's pretty cool, isn't she? It's still early days and I did not spend too much time because I just wanted to experiment and show you guys what's possible. But in a few months' time, 6, 12, 18 months, I believe that we will have incredible opportunities to use AR in our marketing and especially playing with avatars. I would really like to know what you guys think about all these, so drop me a comment. Let me know, what do you think about the future of AI and video marketing?